5 ways food will be different by 2030, and how it affects you. Have you ever wondered what your dinner plate will look like just a few years from now? Well, the future of food is closer than you think. By 2030, the way we eat, cook, and even grow food will be completely transformed. In this video, we're uncovering 5 powerful changes that will completely reshape the food industry from lab-grown meat to personalized nutrition powered by AI. So grab a healthy snack, and let's explore the food future that's already knocking at our door. 1. Lab-grown meat will be common. Say goodbye to traditional farms and hello to cultivated meat. By 2030, meat grown in labs without harming animals could become a normal part of our diet. It looks like real meat, tastes like real meat, but it's made from animal cells in a controlled lab environment. Why it matters? It reduces greenhouse gases, saves water, and could end the ethical dilemma around animal farming. Major companies are already investing billions into this, and soon, lab burgers might be cheaper than the real deal. 2. AI will design your diet. Imagine an app that knows exactly what your body needs and creates meals tailored just for you. Thanks to AI and data from your DNA, sleep, and even stress levels, your future meals will be designed to give you maximum energy, improve immunity, and even prevent disease. It's like having a personal chef, nutritionist, and doctor, all in one app. This is personalized nutrition, and it's coming fast. 3. Climate-resilient foods will take over. As climate change makes farming harder, scientists are developing climate-resilient crops like drought-resistant maize, heat-tolerant rice, and protein-rich insects. We'll also see the rise of urban vertical farming, where food is grown in stacked layers inside buildings using less land and water. This means fresher food, grown closer to cities, with fewer carbon emissions. Win-win. 4. Plant-based everything will be the norm. The plant-based movement is not slowing down. In fact, by 2030, we'll likely have plant-based versions of almost every food, from bacon to eggs, milk to ice cream. These aren't just for vegans anymore, they're for anyone who wants to eat cleaner, healthier, and more sustainably. And the best part? They taste better than ever thanks to new food tech innovations. 5. Food will be a prescription. By 2030, your food won't just satisfy hunger, it could literally heal you. Doctors and nutritionists are already prescribing foods to treat conditions like diabetes, inflammation, and even anxiety. Expect to hear terms like nutritional therapy, functional foods, and food as medicine a lot more in the future. So the old saying, "Let food be thy medicine," is finally becoming reality. Finally. So whether you're a foodie, a health-conscious eater, or just curious about the future, one thing is clear: food in 2030 will be smarter, cleaner, and more personal than ever before. Which of these trends excites or surprises you the most? Let's talk in the comments below. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food and health updates every week. See you in the future, one bite at a time. Speaking ahead, if you found this video interesting, you'll definitely want to see the next one, where I break down the popular foods that could completely disappear by 2035, and what might take their place. So make sure to hit that subscribe button now, because the future of food is coming fast, and you don't want to be left behind.